Dinner time. I'm hungry. Don't want to go out. So, simple meal. Basically, some chunky steak and potato soup. Gonna cook up some spaghetti, mix them together. That should be a meal. Let's get started. Doggy's barking in the background, so heating up the water. Going for the new spaghetti. 2 cans of this. Heating it up and I'll season it. Okay, get ready to season it up. You really only need sesame oil and pepper. The rest, salt we'll add later on. So, let's add in the sesame oil. Here goes your sesame oil. That will always bring out the flavors in the meat. Now for some pepper. And one more ingredient. Some premium Japanese sake. So, this one is to bring out some flavoring in the soup. Oh yeah. So, now we wait. Hot water is kept tight because obviously I want this to boil quick. This one, I always leave it a little bit ajar because unless you wash this with the eagle eye, this thing will spill over and it'll be a fracking mess. Alright, this thing's boiling, so we're gonna put in the spaghetti. Spaghetti's all in. Wait for this to boil. Still, this is slowly boiling, so probably another 20 minutes. Alright, the noodle is ready, so I'm gonna scoop it out because I don't want the water to keep being absorbed into the existing noodles, make it too puffy. Stew is almost ready. I'll wait till it boils. Just standard scoop it out, nothing too fancy, huh? 1, 2. Okay, scooping's done and this is bubbling, so this is ready. Turn this baby off. We are ready to partake. So, scoop some spaghetti in here, put some sauce in here. And we're ready. Yeah, the dog's yapping. Alright, ready for the sauce. Noodle. We are ready to partake. Just a little bit more pepper to make it look good. Voila! Alright. Spaghetti a la was a man chunky meal, okay? 美味しい，うまい，好香哦。